They know my story.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I wash my locks. So if you have full locks, messy locks, distress locks, butterfly locks, whatever locks that you have, you can definitely wash your locks. As you can see in my previous video when I was showing you how long my hair is, I actually cut my hair. So now I'm just watching because I feel like I've already enjoyed my hair, so let me just have fun with it. So I had to cut it. I'll be making a different video showing you guys, you know, me cutting my hair and just why I cut my hair and just more details that you might need when you end up getting something like butt length or waist length or floor length, whatever length you're going for. So when I wash my hair, I do not do anything special. I am just using my regular shampoo, regular deep conditioner, like nothing special. The whole point of washing your hair is so it doesn't dry off. So clearly, like, it doesn't matter what shampoo you use. You can use whatever you already used. And that is what I'm going to be using right now. So right now I'm using the Hawaiian shampoo or something like that, guys. You know what, like the Miracle one, that's what I'm going to be using right now. And I'm just going to go through my locks and then just keep going through, and then when I'm done, I'm going to end up rinsing it off. I actually used a different deep conditioner. So I went to Sephora to get something, to get foundation, and my birthday was April 10th, and it was during like Corona, like the earlier Corona stages. So clearly I could not really go to the store, and I forgot about the whole birthday thingy. So they ended up getting me my late birthday present, and it came with some other stuff and plus the hair care thingy. And I'm gonna, because it's a tube, so like I would not use it for a long time. So I felt like, why not just use that for my deep conditioner, because the whole point is just so your hair can stay moisturized. That's the whole point. You don't want your locks to dry. Since I've had this hair, I have never had to tap on my hair, or like it doesn't itch at all. That's because I still washing it and I just stay spraying it. Another tip, if you don't want to wash your locks, that is totally fine, but I would say try to get a bottle, mix it with your leave-in conditioner, water, and your oil, and then just spray it like every day or every 3 days, just so your hair doesn't dry off. And that's the whole point. So again, this video is just me showing you that if you have locks, you can definitely wash it and your hair will still be looking fine and fresh. Mind you, my hair is colored, so if you had black hair, you can already tell that it's going to go really, really well. But my roots are black, but then my hair is actually blonde. My roots are growing really, really fast, and my locks is blonde, so that's why it's looking a bit tacky. But I feel like if it was black, it would just go together. But again, if you have black on right now, you're very, very lucky. Me, not so much, because again, my hair is growing out really, really fast, and it is what it is. I already enjoyed it, so I really don't care if I take it out. Like, it doesn't really matter to me. So right now I'm still washing it. So as you can see, my hair is growing, and you're going to notice something. It's going to be a bit heavy. Again, that's because it's locks and you have water on your locks, so of course it's going to increase the density. So it's going to make it heavy and thick and all that stuff, but as soon as you're out of the water, it's going to be gone in no time. So you should be totally fine. So when I'm done washing my hair, I am going to apply my deep conditioner, like I said, and then let it sit if you want to. It doesn't really matter, honestly. And then just rinse it off. So now this is the next day, guys. So when I washed my hair last night, and I was so tired because I had a client the next morning, so I just did not have any time at all. So I just went straight to bed. I actually dried it first. It was a bit damp, and I just went to bed. So now in daytime, I'm done with my clients, and now I'm going to go ahead and apply my oil. I'm doing Do Grow oil. I'm going to be using that. Again, you can use any oil. I just started using this oil, so don't think that I'm using this oil all this while, okay? So whatever oil you used to use, just use it. It's point is just to keep your hair moisturized and a little oily, but not too oily. So whatever product that you have, you can go ahead and apply that. You don't have to use exactly what I'm using, because I don't even know the effect of this oil. I just feel like it's good to have some type of oil on my locks when I'm done. So I wasn't able to do this last night because, again, I was so tired, and plus, like, I'm just tired. Like, I'm not going to do it last night because, again, I'm tired. Like, I was so tired, guys. So now I'm doing it, and I'm just applying it everywhere. There's no manual on how you can apply it. you can put it in your palm, rub it, and then, you know, apply it, or you could just go individually if you can. I had the time, so I went individually, and when I'm done, I'm going to use my hands and I'm just going to massage through just to make sure that we have everything everywhere. And that is all. Like, I can go ahead and do my edges if I want to, but hey, I want to go to the gym ASAP, so I'm not going to be laying my edges down, because there's no point of me laying my edges down if I would be at the gym like in 30 minutes after this video. Well, that'll be all for now, guys. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, as you can see, it's easy, no big deal. I'm going to be cutting my locks, guys, again. I don't know when, but I'm going to be cutting it really soon. And when I am done, I am going to show you just the whole level of, you know, butt length, waist length, bob, and all that stuff.
They know my story. For more